They're so good. Today we are making lemon bars, sourdough lemon bars with sourdough discard. I love lemon bars. They're one of my favorite desserts. Lemon is just one of my favorite flavors for a dessert, and I wanted to see if I could make a sourdough version. All right, so first things first is we need sugar and butter. So it says about 75 grams of sugar. And I've had this butter softening on the counter. This is 11 tablespoons of butter, unsalted. And now we're gonna mix this for about a minute. So just the butter and sugar mixed for a minute. I'll do, oh, I'm gonna plug it in. That would help. I'll do 6. While that's going, I'm gonna get my 50 grams of sourdough discard. Scrape down the sides, and then we're gonna put in the sourdough discard. So right now we're just making shortbread cookie of the lemon bar ready. So this we're going to now mix until the discard is fully incorporated. And do 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And then 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Scraping down the sides just to make sure everything is incorporated. Okay, this is what my dough looks like. Pretty soft chunks of dough. So now I'm going to press this into the parchment lined 8x8 baking sheet. All right, so it says to use your fingers just to pat it down. So I'm just going to press the dough to make an even layer of shortbread crust. Oh, I forgot one step. I have to prick the shortbread, so. Okay, now it's ready to break. It's all pricked now, so now it's ready to bake. 325 for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to get started on my lemon curd mixture. So to start, I need to measure out sugar. So this is 200 grams of sugar. 200 grams of sugar and then 3 eggs. We're just gonna whisk all that together. Now that that is all set, I really should do this in a separate bowl. I'm not gonna mess up the measurements of the discard. Okay, so now I need 60 grams of sourdough discard for the lemon filling of these lemon bars. 60 grams. Now, a really important part of this step is to get the sourdough discard fully incorporated in with the egg and sugar. I've got my milk ready to go, but now it's time to do the lemons. So I need to wash off this lemon. So I'm gonna need about 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. So I really wish you could smell this right now because it smells amazing. Like, ugh. I could eat lemon desserts all year round. Okay, So 1 tablespoon is about the zest of 2 lemons. So that is ready to go. Now I need to juice the lemons. I need to get 110 grams of freshly juiced lemons. Yeah. All right, so nothing is going to go to waste. We're going to use 2 that we had already zested. So this is going to be about half a cup, but all right, let's see if this is 110 grams. Oh, so close. All right, so we're just shy of 110 grams, but I'm going to pour the lemon juice and then the lemon zest into our egg, sugar, and sourdough discard mixture. Don't want to leave any of that zest behind. Mix this in. Oh yeah, now it's starting to smell good. Lemon bars. I'm filming my process. It's right there. I'm trying to get different angles. Does it smell good in here or not? Like it? I didn't want to put on the fan because sometimes I talk in my video. I couldn't put on the fan. I was talking.
How about now?
What does it smell like? Does it smell like shortbread?
What's in here?
Shortbread. I only needed 2 lemons.
What are all these lemon bars for?
I thought this was better than me going out and buying things I don't need. I need to immediately put the lemon into this. I changed the camera angle. Unless you want to film it. Hopefully this doesn't overflow. Woohoo! Oh boy. 30 to 35 minutes. Oven's super dirty. They look really good though.
I'm drawn, Anna.
Thank you. That's good. Not that I don't want to eat a lot more than that, but.
Yep.
Ooh.
Today we don't have any whipped cream.
No.
You want a picture of that? Or something.
All right, so I have already tried these lemon bars. I couldn't film it last night because we were at my boyfriend's parents' house and I just didn't feel comfortable doing that. We made quite a dent in these lemon bars. We clearly didn't like them at all. Not good. But I did want to do a little review of this recipe because I do think it's really good, but there are some things that I would change about it. First off, so I'm gonna cut a piece. Just a small sliver. Okay. So, this is what the lemon bar looks like. It's pretty 50-50 with the shortbread and then the lemon curd. What I would want is to thin this out, probably using like a 9x13 pan instead, and then potentially doubling the lemon because it's really good. The sourdough discard shortbread really cuts the tartness of the lemon filling, but it's a lot of shortbread. Like this is that's a thick piece of shortbread. It's really good though. It's refreshing. The lemon is refreshing. And the shortbread isn't too sweet. It's got that savoriness, and I think that is a lot in part due to the sourdough discard. So, one thing that my boyfriend asked for is maybe cooking, once the lemon goes in, cooking it a little longer to make it a little bit of a thicker texture. I mean, this is pretty thick, but it's a little bit more pie-like, I guess. So, a really good first batch, I'd say. But I definitely want to change the ratios. But I'm very happy with this recipe, and I think you guys should give it a try. Whoever's watching, give it a try. So good. They're so good.